Good morning, one and all. I am Bhagyashree Ramchandra Huggi. I am from Belagavi Taluk. I have completed my schooling from Divine Providence Convent High School in Belagavi Taluk itself. I have completed my BA from Bangalore University. After my graduation, when I had to decide about what to do next, it was the first destination was Dharwad, and in Dharwad I landed up in Classic Study Circle. The first and foremost thing, I did not have any idea about how KS exam would be there or an IAS exam would be there. KS Study Circle helped me a lot to make up my foundation for the civil services. From 2014 I started my preparation over here, Classic Study Circle for civil services in the year 2014, and later on I gave up many exams, and I was under the guidance of Lakshman Uppar sir and the faculty. I have been selected excise sub inspector, then I have been selected for first grade revenue inspector, I have been selected for first division assistant, I have been selected as female supervisor for women and child development, then I have been selected as panchayat development officer and grade 1 secretary also. In the meanwhile, I gave my KAS examination, and I have taken interview sessions for KAS examination in the Classic Study Circle itself, under the guidance of Belobi sir also. For my interview guidance, the first interview session I gave was at Classic, and it helped me a lot boost up my courage, boost up the energy to face an interview, because it was my first attempt at KAS, and in the first attempt itself I have cleared KAS, and that is the most important thing for an aspirant to get into first attempt itself. So I feel Classic has played a very important role in achieving this success. And apart from giving only coaching, they have a lot of magazines also, and those have helped a lot for the current events preparation also. Every week there was a model test conducted in the institute, which helped us to evaluate ourselves, like where we have been lacking in, what have to be improved and all. So the faculty has played a very important role, and I thank each and everyone from the Classic Institute for having me achieve this goal, which was my childhood dream. I thank each and everyone. And the upcoming aspirants can blindly rely upon Classic for the KAS examination as well as the IAS examination. If at all anybody has been thinking of starting their career in IAS and KAS, Classic Study Circle is definitely a good venture to start in. Thank you one and all.